In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set internal costs per hour in Goodday. Setting an accurate internal hourly cost for your team members is really important if you want reliable project budgets, profit calculations, and internal reporting. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find this setting inside Goodday and how to update it safely. Let's start inside your Goodday workspace. Look towards the bottom left corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. This is the same place you usually go to access your personal settings or log out. Clicking this icon opens a small menu with options related to your account and workspace. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This will take you to a more advanced settings area where you can manage things related to your company and users, not just your own profile. You'll need the appropriate permissions to access and edit these settings, so make sure you're an admin or have HR or finance access in your workspace. Once you're in Account Settings, look for the section labeled Human Resources or HR. Go ahead and click on Human Resources. This is where Goodday groups all of the user and team settings, including job roles, availability, and importantly for this video, cost-related information. Inside the HR area, find and select Company Users. This page shows a list of all users in your organization's Goodday account. Here, you can review who is active and choose whose cost you want to update. Next, select the specific user whose internal cost per hour you want to set. Click on their name to open their profile and detailed settings. You'll be taken to a page with several tabs or sections for that individual user. From the user's profile, click on the tab or section called Billing and Finance. This is where Goodday stores financial settings for that user, including internal cost rates. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the correct person, especially if you have users with similar names. Now, in the Billing and Finance section, type in the internal cost per hour for that user. Make sure you're using the correct currency and cost basis your organization agreed on, such as fully loaded cost, including benefits and overhead. Double check the value you enter, since this number can affect project cost reporting across your workspace. Once you've entered the details and reviewed them, click on Submit. This saves the new internal hourly cost for that